The way the gold price is fixed has made the move to digital, as the traditional method that ran from 1919 has been overhauled. The twice daily fixing is used as a global benchmark for the price of gold and will now be open to more banks
had a tough
and
time
better
over the last few years.
transparency.
But wealth manager Jonathan Davies thinks this is coming to an end.
Anything which is so annihilated always has an opportunity to revert to mean, at least for the short term. And in the short term, we are seeing strength coming back into the precious metals market. Hasn't it been fascinating that in the last couple of months alone, that the US dollar has absolutely soared by 15%, and yet precious metals are flat? Now, I would suggest to you that that is an indication that if the dollar reverses, albeit for a short term, from the bull market that it's in, then you could put pretty well a rocket ship under precious metals and particularly under the miners.
Jonathan says this is the case for all precious metals, not just gold.
I think in essence, the US dollar having rocketed so much over the last 10 or so months has put a dampener on commodities in general, on top of course, the difficulties that they've had generally since 2011 and the global economy. But post the Fed meeting, and indeed because the strengthening of the dollar was waning in the last few weeks, as it happens, according to what we were seeing, we wouldn't at all be surprised to see the dollar pull back, and that has a generally positive effect on commodities generally, and specifically indeed in precious metals. So yes, gold, silver, palladium, platinum.
While prices could be on the up, US regulators are continuing to investigate at least 10 banks over irregularities in precious metals trading and setting of prices. For the banks, this added transparency could not have come soon enough.